Dreaming of studying abroad? That first flight is a huge milestone and the excitement is real. But before you fly out, let's talk essentials. Here's a quick travel checklist. 1. Passport and visa. Always carry both originals and photocopies. In emergencies, copies can be lifesavers. 2. Prescription meds. Don't risk running out of medication. Bring a valid prescription and a small first aid kit too. 3. Local currency. Even with your finances sorted, keep some local currency on hand for immediate expenses. 4. Travel essentials. In your carry-on, snacks, chargers, toiletries, meds, maybe a book. Keep it light but smart. 5. Clothing basics. Pack enough to get by in the beginning. Once you settle in, you can shop as per your needs. In all the excitement of heading overseas, it's easy to miss the basics. So be sure to double-check this list. And don't forget to round off your prep with a customized education loan from Credila. Got more packing tips? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels!